So we're starting with our fuel or petrol, as it's called, styrofoam. You can get this in used cartons of electronics or anything that you already bought. We're going to add our fuel into a container and then start to break bit by bit the styrofoam into the fuel and just watch it melt away. So while that is setting, we just have to stir and stir and stir it. Make sure it forms a nice consistency. So just watch as I stir the mixture of styrofoam and petrol. So now in this, we're going to be changing the color. If you want to get a different color of Aboki gum, you can just get a takeaway plate with a different color, either blue, red, or any other color of, that you choose, and just add it into the mixture as well and let it melt away. As you can see, the color is just coming together. This is a red or a light pink takeaway plate that's also made of styrofoam. So just watch this melt away, and as we stir it, the color changes. There you get a different shade of Aboki glue. As you can see, the consistency is getting right. We're just going to add a little more petrol and cover it to set for some time, for about 5 minutes. Yes. Now this is our finished product. Here we have Aboki glue, or Aboki gum as we call it here in Nigeria, because it's usually it's used for making setting shoe, repairing sports footwear and all of that. Now we're going to test run this on a piece of material. This material is a tarpaulin material. We're going to be putting some of the glue at the edge and just sealing it to see how durable this is and how effective it is. So we will just seal that in, and we're going to wait for about 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes, and then we'll get back and see how strong it is. So my neighbor saw me making this and brought one of his spoiled footwear, his slippers, for me to test the Aboki glue on. So we're just going to be using the glue right now to try and fix the slippers and see how that works out. Guys, if you've come this far and you've been enjoying my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Tell me what you think in the comment section. You can tell me what next you think I should be making or I should be trying out, and I'll do that for you guys. I love you for all the support. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all that you do, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. So I let the gum set for about 5 minutes, and now I'm trying to see if it's durable enough. As you can see, it's really strong. I'm going to put my leg in it and try to walk around, and yeah, there you have it, your Aboki glue. Thanks guys for watching my video.